detail, like crisp produce and more than a quarter pound of flame-grilled beef. Because a perfect Whopper bite means perfecting everything, even down to what it comes in. This isn't some secret recipe, it's just your honest feedback. Thanks to you, the Whoppers never tasted better. There's a new king, and
The National Weather Service has issued a severe tornado outbreak for the following counties: Anne Arundel County, Montgomery County, Charles County, Dorchester County, Baltimore County, Prince George's County, Garrett County, and Washington County until 8:35 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated multiple severe thunderstorms in said counties capable of producing many tornadoes. Please take shelter now. Go to www.noaaa.gov for more information.
it's you.